All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe an aquatic animal or sea animal. So you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes, please.
Okay. To begin, as I hold the nationality of Pakistan, so when I was in 12th class, the teachers told the topic of animals and he questioned me what is the national aquatic animal of Pakistan. So I have no answer. Then my teacher advised me to go back to home and search about it. Then I opened the website named Google where I searched this. The Google tell me the answer that the aquatic national aquatic animal of Pakistan is dolphin. There are the vast varieties of wildlife animals in Pakistan, such as domestic and pet animal. So when I was when I search about this on website, then I saw this. Oh, this is a dolphin, and it's quite interesting for me. Then I play a video where he performed some jumps, and a male and females began to play with him in water. It swims very faster, and when I search about it, a single quant theory was about this. He produced a sound which name is echolocation. Then I shocked this was a shock for me that it was also produce a sound, and after that I see that whenever his baby was born, then a little baby of dolphin pulled him into the air to breathe some in the air. So I really know about this. He can survive in a wind for several months.
All right, thank you very much. You spoke for 1 minute 46 seconds. Overall, it is good. There are two type of mistakes that you have. The first one is pronunciation, and not with every word, with few words. Like the word is dolphin, not dolphin. You said dolphin.
Okay.
At 3 4 times you said that. Then you said Google tell me, right? It should not be Google tell me. Google is not a girl that she tells you. So you can say through Google I came to know,
I came to.
or Google informed me about this animal. And then there are grammatical mistakes. There are some mistakes which are related to tenses, present and past. So you just need to avoid that, right? Let's move on. Speaking part 3. Why do some people like to keep pet animals?
Mostly people want to bring up a pet animal because they want to entertain themselves by playing with an animals, and it's most of people like to be it's their hobby, and they want to but have a pet animal like dog or other. But most thing is many people like to bring up the dangerous animal like lion or
Okay, what should we do to protect endangered animals?
firstly, there are many the reasons that many of the species are in danger. Firstly, we should not damage our environment. Some like that, we eat some things and throw the shoppers into the rivers, and this will harm for the species, especially dolphin. And otherwise, also we should keep the environment clean.
All right. Do you support doing experiments on animals?
No, it's a quite prefer to perform an s- any research on the animals like for like when the COVID start, then people wants to test on different things. First they prefer to test it on the animals, and after that they it was apply on the human. So as a human being, it's a good for us to test on animal.
All right. Okay. So tenses main thing, but the good thing is you understand the question and you got good understanding of the questions. Just focus your grammar, learn all the tenses, helping verbs, modal verbs, and focus your pronunciation. You'll be fine. Looking at all that, I would give you a 6 band for now. Right. Thank you.